Okay, I'm gonna do a quick review on Clean Touch Scouring Pads. You get 10 per package. I bought these a while back from Rite Aid. Rite Aid, it's closest to our house, has $1 off, and these are in it. They have like snack foods and some household products, and that all. They sell for only $1. It's 10 in a package. You get 2 blue, 2 orange, 2 green, 2 purple, and 2 pink. If you hear sunny in the background, just ignore. Kids are out on spring break this week, and she's wanting the boys to let her in the room. So she's upstairs whining outside the bedroom. This is what they look like when you get them out of the package. They're pretty good little scouring pads if you want to do some cleaning around in the kitchen and bathroom, or like washing your car there at home. You have to be careful because they might scratch some surfaces. And you get 10 of them in a package with each $4, and you're only paying like 10 cents a piece. They're pretty cheap and pretty good. Pretty good for when you're done your cleaning. Clean your bathroom, kitchen, whatever part of the house you're cleaning out. They're pretty durable, and they hadn't fallen apart on me yet. So I've used this one and it hasn't fallen apart or anything yet. Clean around the house. This is the Clean Touch Scouring Pads. I know you can buy them at Rite Aid, but I don't know what other stores you can buy this product at. So Rite Aid so far is the only place I've seen them. And they're in the $1 off. Rite Aid's $1 off.